Everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media. It's Wednesday the 18th of September 2024, back at Anfield Road for another update on the expansion progress. This will be my final week by drone anyway. Jobs are really hard to see by drone, but we're going to take off the other end this time. We're coming from the cop end. We're going to have a closer look at these last two river stones we're waiting for, and I don't think they are going to be stones. I think they are going to be those benches that were in the plans originally. So we'll do a little part on that also. It's been really enjoyable following this project. But there's a lot more projects coming from Anfield from me. A different one on Friday I'll be releasing. Keep an eye out for that. Solely talking about the transport network needed for Anfield for the future expansions, when or if they ever happen. Obviously the COP one I did not too long ago was a massive hit, over 65,000 views on that, and this is going to be like a follow-on from that. We're concentrating on the transport network that is badly needed for this stadium. We'll be talking trams, trains, sliders, buses, what needs to be done, what needs to happen. Keep an eye out for Friday for that one. Try and get out the sun, try and get out the shade there. It's too dark for the camera, but yeah, we're going to get the drone up, have a look. If they've finished that little bit of cladding on the other side, I don't think they would have done, but we'll have a look there. We'll have a look on the other side if we can see anything, but that's why it's pointless flying a drone now, and this is why my last week in the Anfield Road expansion, flying a drone. The rest of it I will go inside the ground probably in a week, 10 days time, and have a look on the other side, see what the situation is near the SKD stand side, and we'll take it from there. So don't forget to click like, share, subscribe even, put the teeth back in. Let's get that drone up. Welcome back everyone, we are airborne. I'm going to climb a little bit more and get into position to go over the cop end. See where we're up to with that cladding on the right side near the main stand. I'll drop down a bit there, 70 metres, and we'll start going in. Yeah, this will be my second to last update. My final one will be Sunday by drone, but I'll probably go in next week and have a look from the inside. The groundsman does his stuff. So it looks like they've plugged the hole at the bottom of the slope section. You can see the ropes hanging down there. There's a tiny little bit of cladding to go in where you can see the rope hanging down. You can see a little bit of a gap where a little bit of overlap of the cladding will need to go. And it's just that little part at the top then. I'm just having a look how they've cladded over the part where the cladding is going the opposite way. And we've just basically overlapped it with straight sections. I was interested how they were going to do that, but yeah, just a part at the top now. And then by next week when I go into the ground, they should be starting on this section underneath where the overhang scaffolding has been built. 3 different sections of scaffolding. So yeah, that's the situation with the cladding. done that little part at the bottom there, the slope section, and just the top part to go, and then I think we're pretty much done on that side. So yeah, the forever stones, the two we're waiting for, Gerard, Houllier, Joe, Fagan. Let's go and have a quick look at the empty place where their stones are going to be, and I don't think they're going to be flat either. I really don't. Bring the forever stones into shot. You can see how much bigger those two spaces are to the rest of the ones. A lot bigger, and that pretty much for me tells me they're going to be benches, and that's probably why it's taken a lot more longer for them to arrive. I'm going to drop down a bit, but not too much because I don't want to lose signal. I'll put on the screen now a photo of how the benches are supposed to be looking. These were in the original plans, by the way, so I'll put those on now. And when I was down there, I took a close-up footage of the area, and it does look exactly the same as the main stand benches, so I'll put that on the screen also so we can compare the areas. I'm going to climb a little bit more. I'm going to go over the main stand. Just a quick look here. That tiny little bit of section that needs to be done. Right there. Tiny little piece there. I'll zoom back out and carry on our journey over the main stand. And bring the forever stones into shot. If you can see them in the trees, I'm going to drop down a little bit. See one there, can't we? And I put on another little video from close up of that area there. Exactly the same, pretty much the length and widthness of the two areas, Fagan and Houllier on the Anfield Road forever stone section. So that to me confirms they're going to be benches. They've got to be. Climb a bit there. So yeah, obviously that's footage I can cover from the ground. Same with the bench we're waiting for. The windowsill sections, I don't need a drone for that. So my final update will be on Sunday, as I fly back over the cop end. That little field over there, that's where I took off from. Little park. So here's a little bit of progress today, cladding wise. And I'm looking forward to seeing those two benches of Houllier and Fagan. That's the only reason I can think of why they're taking so long. But I think they'll be very fitting, especially for Houllier and Fagan, two legends of this fantastic club of Liverpool. So on Friday I'll be doing a transport network video for Anfield, and Sunday will be my final by drone on the Anfield Road expansion, and I'll put in a few highlights of my time over the years, the months. Hope you'll enjoy. But yeah, it's been a fantastic journey being part of this with all of you. It's been an adventure, one I didn't think I was going to see through to the end, but I did, and I'm glad I did. It's been a hell of a project, and I'll be here for future ones, hopefully. Whatever there will be, there's plenty more to come from Anfield. I'll be here for Liverpool Bologna, the European match. I'll be there doing a match day build vlog on that one. I'll be here Friday doing that special, and I've got other Anfield projects already planned. Also, plenty more to come from Anfield, especially with the vlogs, which I need more practice on. But you know, they say practice makes perfect. Thank you again for your support. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. Well, enjoy the rest of your Wednesday, your midweek, wherever you are in the world. Say goodbye to Anfield for another day. See you all on Friday. Bye for now. You'll never walk alone.